So I got a question regarding getting out of your upper traps. Upper traps are these ones right here. You also have middle, lower traps. They're all connected. They all function together, we'll say, but each has a little bit different function. So your upper traps are responsible for elevation, as well as upward rotation. Upward rotation is gonna look like this. And upward rotation, you can kind of follow my shoulder blades as they're turning like so. Your middle and low traps are a little bit more responsible for depression of your scapula, so pulling your scapula down. All are responsible for retraction, so that's pulling them together. If you're having trouble and only really feeling your upper traps, especially in movements where that's not the goal necessarily, we want to work on more of that depression and retraction situation, because that helps you to get into your lower traps and helps to stabilize your shoulder blades so you're not doing every move here. Some cueing that I like to incorporate is scooping your shoulder blades into your back pockets and tight to your rib cage. So if this is you and these are your shoulder blades, you're gonna wanna feel kind of like you're tucking underneath like so. Real life application here is somebody who feels like trappy while they're doing lateral raises, say, they're most likely pulling up like this, or they're getting a lot of rotation here. To fix that, I'm gonna say slide your shoulder blades into your back pockets nice and tight, and you're gonna hold there. Keep your shoulders away from your ears as you're pulling into that lateral raise, and you should feel a lot more isolation and a lot more activity in your shoulder versus your trap. So again, it's an individual case-by-case situation, but this is general advice here. It's definitely a constant battle for a lot of people. A lot of people do carry their tension right here, and this is their posture, so this is something that you're gonna have to work on over time. Being aware of it is the first step, and that's kind of where you start to build some strength against that. I want to show you guys a quick trap release. I do this laying down, but you could probably do it against a wall. I imagine it would be about the same, maybe a little bit less pressure, but that's sometimes a good place to start. I have here a lacrosse ball. You can also do this with a tennis ball. If you're really sadistic, you could try a golf ball. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna locate that trap muscle, follow your collarbone all the way out, go directly behind that, and it's gonna feel squishy. That's your trap muscle. It goes all the way up to your spine, base of your neck, and actually goes between your shoulder blade and your spine here. So pick a point in that muscle where you might be feeling a lot of tension, or just feeling a lot of muscle, and you're gonna place the ball right there. Part against the wall here with that ball right there. Extend your arms out in front of you, pushing my shoulders forward and really round in my upper back, and I just want you to wiggle your shoulders side to side. So I'm not like moving my body side to side, I'm just moving at my shoulders. Hopefully that helps to provide you with a little bit of stress release, trap release, helps to get rid of some of that tension.